dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Ahead of the September 21st Edo State governorship election, the Independent National Electoral Commission on Thursday announced that the signing of the peace accord will be held on September 12, 2024 in Benin City. Alright, my wonderful people, before I proceed, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining. So my people, may we dive into the main topic. Ahead of the September 21st Edo State governorship election, the Independent National Electoral Commission announced that the signing of the peace accord will be held on September 12, 2024 in Benin City. The Inec chairman, Prof. Mahmoud Yakubu, who announced this during a meeting with political parties in Abuja, provided crucial updates on preparation for the election. The signing of the peace accord, organized in collaboration with the National Peace Committee, aimed to ensure a peaceful and credible electoral process. So after consultation with the National Peace Committee under the leadership of their respected former head of state, General Abdul-Salami Abubakar, the signing of the peace accord for the Edo State governorship election will take place on Thursday, September 12, 2024 in Benin City, supported by eminent member of the Peace Committee. The occasion will be presided over by the chairman, General Abdul-Salami Abubakar. Prof. Yakubu Mahmoud, the Inec chairman, said, "As you all may notice, that unlike the previous peace accord signed a few days before the election, that they decided to do so early this time around to enable the Peace Committee to monitor compliance with the code voluntarily signed by parties and other critical players in the electoral process, such as Inec and the security agencies during the remaining days to the election, that this will add further weight to the peace accord beyond mere ceremony, as demanded by many observers and even some of the political actors themselves." So with just 22 days remaining until the election on September 21st, 2024, Yakubu outlined that INEC has successfully completed 10 out of 13 planned activities, that it is exactly 22 days, 3 weeks and 1 day to the Edo State gubernatorial election, and campaign are in full wings. They have already implemented 10 out of 13 activities listed in their timetable and schedule of activities for the election. The most recent activities was the presentation to the political parties of the final register of voters containing details of the 2,629,025 registered voters for the election. This was done on Tuesday, August 2024, in their state office in Benin City. So they are now left with 3 outstanding activities, namely the publication of notice of poll scheduled for Saturday, September 7, 2024. The last day of the campaign by political parties, which is Thursday, September 19, 2024, and finally the election day, which is Saturday, September 21st, 2024. The key preparations, such as installing bimodal voter accreditation system machine and printing triplicate copies of the voters register for all 4,519 polling units in Edo State, they are all complete. Yakubu noted that in addition to these statutory activities, they have intensified their engagement with stakeholders at Edo State and local government levels. Similarly, voters' education is ongoing and they have concluded the training of security personnel. They are finalizing the delivery of the few remaining non-sensitive material for the election. So they are trying to conclude the arrangements with the Land and Marine Transport Union for logistics. Observers' accreditation tags are being produced. The portal for media accreditation closes next week, and so far 88 media organizations have applied by uploading the details of 698 personnel that comprises of journalists, technicians and crew members to cover the election. Soon, they are going to commence the training of various categories of ad hoc staff. Yakubu highlighted a significant achievement. He said 68.3% of the new permanent voters card from the recent continuous voters registration has been collected. So he urged further mobilization to ensure even higher collection rates before the September 8th deadline. Early this week, the commission announced that 484,438 permanent voters cards from the recent continuous voters registration, 125,928 PVCs representing 68.3% of new cards were collected at the ward level in Edo State in just 5 days. So this is the highest rate of collection of PVC since the introduction of the continuous voters registration for Obaseki election in Bayelsa and Kogi State governorship election in 2015. The commission appreciates the role played by political parties and other stakeholders in mobilizing new voters to collect their PVCs. Just yesterday, the collection of PVCs resumed in 18 local government offices in Edo State. So this will last until Sunday, 8 September 24. They once again, appeal to the stakeholders for the same level of mobilization so that they can achieve an even higher rate of collection. On further upcoming activities, Inec chairman Yakubu Mahmood further said that in the coming days, several other activities have been scheduled. On Tuesday, September 10th, 2024, the commission is going to conduct a mock accreditation of voters to test run the deployment of beavers for the election, as well as the upload of results to the Inec result viewing portal. That the signing of the peace accord will be preceded by the Inec stakeholders meeting to be held on Wednesday, 11 September 2024 in Benin City. As usual, the meeting is going to be addressed by the Inec chairman and the Inspector General of Police. The Inec chairman also addressed issues with the new digital platform for submitting polling and coalition agent details. He stressed that manual submission will no longer be accepted, so he urged political parties to comply with digital procedures to ensure proper accreditations. The national chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, Yusuf Datele, emphasized that political parties must respect the mandate of the people and ensure the sanctity of the ballot box. Because after 25 years of uninterrupted democracy in Nigeria, they must get it right this time. Noting that the do election will serve as a litmus test for the Ondo State governorship election on November 16, 2024, and is going to set the tone for future election. Yusuf urged political parties to conduct issue-based campaign. They should avoid violence and prioritize national unity and development. He highlighted IPAC roles in ensuring a peaceful and credible electoral process, stating that the council would work closely with Inec, security agency, election observers, and the media to guarantee that every vote counts. So all eyes are going to be on the election observers. The security. So I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, when stay safe, guys.